Hello and welcome to Health and Sport. Today, I will tell you 6 benefits of drinking grapefruit juice. An easy way to get more nutrients into your diet by drinking more grapefruit juice. Try it fresh squeezed in the morning, or eat whole sections of this bittersweet fruit to reap the benefits of its juice and flesh. The best part is that grapefruit juice benefits your skin too. 1. It's great for your immune system. Delivers important nutrients. Grapefruit juice benefits include its potassium, vitamin C, and magnesium content, among others. Its high levels of vitamin C are especially important to skin health. When ingested, this nutrient plays a role in helping your skin protect itself against UV rays. Enough vitamin C is also key for supporting collagen and a brighter overall complexion. Two, it could help prevent diabetes. There's evidence that eating grapefruit, which is moderate on the glycemic index scale, can help keep insulin levels even, protecting against type 2 diabetes. Greater consumption of blueberries, grapes, apples, bananas, and grapefruit were significantly associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. It could help keep fat from building up in artery walls. There's evidence, at least in mice, showing that naringin, a flavonoid in grapefruit, can help prevent atherosclerosis when plaque and cholesterol build up in your arteries. Again, this is just a mouse study, but grapefruit certainly could be worth adding to a heart-healthy lifestyle. 4. It's high in antioxidants. Grapefruit is also a good source of antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and fight damage caused by free radicals in the body. Even grapefruit peels are high in antioxidants, so don't just enjoy the refreshing, vibrant meat and juice of the fruit. Use the peels as zest in various dishes, such as poultry or in baked goods. Five, it keeps you hydrated. Grapefruits are 88% water. One whole fruit has 216 grams of the stuff, making them a pretty stellar way to stay hydrated in addition to your regular Swell bottle habit. While grapefruit juice is a popular breakfast beverage, it's more beneficial to the body to eat the fruit, so you're also getting fiber. 6. Grapefruits help keep bones strong. Grapefruit contains decent amounts of calcium and phosphorus, which both help keep bones and teeth strong. Add grapefruit juice to your smoothies. If you don't enjoy the tart taste, you can still enjoy grapefruit juice benefits by adding it to a smoothie. Try adding pineapple, coconut milk, and banana to mask the bitterness. Drink grapefruit juice in the morning or evening. A morning glass of grapefruit juice benefits your senses, salivary glands, and gets your digestive system going. The grapefruit scent can help wake you up too. An evening glass of grapefruit juice benefits your sleep because it contains tryptophan, a naturally occurring, sleep-promoting chemical. Thank you.